Hello everyone, welcome to Laravel project development series by Bhavesh Chavda. This is our second part. In this video tutorial, we are going to set up AdminLTE 3.0 as an admin panel using master layout. In this video, I will teach you how you will create a master layout with different portion of your theme template file, how to include, how to concat them. In this tutorial, we learn all these things. So let's start. Okay, so this is the project we already installed in our previous video. Now we fire the command php artisan serve for start developing server. While our server is started, we open website in the browser window. Okay, our website is running now. Now we set up admin LTE theme. So for download admin LTE theme, we are searching in a Google. You can see that the official website of AdminLTE is over there. Now click on download button and you are redirected to GitHub. And now select appropriate version which you want to use in your website. Here I select AdminLTE 3.0. Click on the title and then after go to down and download its zip file. Download is done now. Now go to download folder. Double click on AdminLTE folder. Now we open index.html file. This is the dashboard file of AdminLTE theme. You can see that there are many options available. Like there is a 3 version of dashboard. You can also see that there is a chart, number of forms available over there. This is the general form. You can see that there are many examples are over there. You can choose any of these example in your AdminLTE. You can see that there is a multiple selection, single selection drop down over there. You can use these all things in your website. So these are the extra advantages of AdminLTE theme. So we choose this theme as our AdminLTE. Now we extract AdminLTE in our system. Once extract is done, we set up our AdminLTE in our Laravel project. Okay, extraction is done now. Now we move to Laravel admin LTE 3.0. Now for setup admin LTE in our project, we need to create some views inside some folders. So we are going to resources folder. Now we create one new folder with the name admin theme. We create another folder called admin. Inside the admin theme, we create some of the file for master layout file with the name. Here inside the AdminLTE folder, we create our first file with the name style.blade.php. Then after we create another file with the name script.blade.php. A third one is header.blade.php. Fourth one is sidebar.blade.php. Next one is footer.blade.php. So these are the basic files which we use in our master layout. Now we open our AdminLTE's index file in Visual Studio Code. Inside the admin theme folder, we create another file with the name default.blade.php. This is our default master layout file. Inside this file, we put all the index.html code, and then we create its master layout. So first of all, from the bottom part, we cut all the script tag and placed the script tag inside the script.blade.php. Now inside the default.blade.php file, we put some comments for better understanding the code. Here we are going to write down some of the comment for script section. So here we write down the JavaScript goes here, and end of comment with JavaScript end with here. Inside that, in between this comment, now we cut all the code for footer tag, and give the comment this footer start from here and end with footers end from here. And inside the footer.blade.php we paste our footers file code. Now we select all the link tag from the default file and paste it inside the style.blade.php, and here we also give the appropriate comments style end here. Now for the navigation bar, we collapse name tag and put that code inside the header.blade.php file, and inside the dev already there is one comment, we rename it. And now for the sidebar, we collapse the aside tag and put this code inside the uh, one of the file which we create right now with the name sidebar.blade.php. Actually we missed this file. Now sidebar.php file have a side menu. Here we also give us code for comment for the sidebar, main sidebar container. Now for including all this split file in our default page, we use some of the directives which Laravel provide to us. Now we use include directive, and inside the include directive we pass the folder name as a admin theme, and then after we create dot and give the file name style. Then after we copy this line and paste for header part, footer, sidebar part, as well as for footer part and for script part, and rename file name with the appropriate section. Now our all files are included inside our default.blade.php file. Now create another file inside the admin folder with the name home.blade.php. You can see that here we are write down the HTML file format and give one of the message inside the h1 tag with this is the home page. And now we go to our routes file. In route file we change our path with the URL name admin/home, and we return one view which we create inside the admin folder. Its name is home.blade.php. Now inside the home file we use our master layout which we already create. For extending master layout inside the home file, we use @extend directive and give the our master layout path which we create inside the admin theme folder with the name default.blade.php. You can see that the file is loaded, but some of the CSS and JavaScript not found inside this file. So for correct this bug, we go inside the script.blade.php file and give some Laravel code inside the HTML code. You can see that there are folder with the name plugin, which provide many external files to our admin template file. So we copy um, two folders from the AdminLTE and paste inside our theme. For differentiate different folder, we create one folder named admin theme and paste two folders which we copy from the AdminLTE with the name dist and plugin. Now for place a dynamic path inside our master layout, we use some of the Laravel code. For applying Laravel code inside the blade file, we use double curly braces. Here I select multiple lines with the same time and write down the asset function, which is Laravel function. This function can call the public directory of the Laravel project directory structure. Here we create one folder name with the admin theme. So we call this folder in every file. Now with the at the end we close the asset function, and after single quotes, round brackets over, and double curly braces for ending the asset function. Same as the style file, we also use same formula inside our script file. Actually, all the source resources which Laravel used, we put that resources inside our public folder with the specific or individual directory, and using asset function, we call this that SS inside our blade file with the use of asset function. While we use asset function in our blade file, we have to use double curly braces, and then after asset function and the asset path of assets which we put inside the public folder. You can say that all done, and our AdminLTE gives our proper output, but you can see that there is a no image found inside the dashboard. So for that, we move to our sidebar.blade.php file and find the image tag and place our assets function for these two images and asset functions. Now you can see that image is properly displaying now. So that's it. This is the master layout. Thank you. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. In next video, we are going to learn how to set up Laravel auth UI and perform register and login operation, as well as we use auth as a middleware in our routes. Thank you.